Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to another Illustrator tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to use blur in Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, I'm going to make a circle and then simply select it, effect, blur, Gaussian blur, and now I can change its radius from here, and I'm going to select a preview so I can see the difference it's going to make. And one thing I want to show you here is you can see it's not properly blurred, that it's giving me a shape of a square. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into effects and document raster effect settings, and I'm gonna keep its high resolution, and I'm gonna change this value to 360 pixels and let it load. Here we go. You see how beautiful it's looking? It's properly blended with the background. So this is how we are going to make a blur in Adobe Illustrator. Now we will learn how to edit the existing blur. So I'm just gonna select it, Windows, and I will go to Appearance. And from here select this Gaussian blur and preview, and now I can change it like this. Now let's see one use case of blur, and the one which we are going to discuss is shading by using blur. And for that I'm going to make a brush, so let's see how we can do that. I will first of all make a circle, more like a stretched circle, and then window, brushes, and I will create a new art brush, and from here select the tints and shades, not shadies. So now I'm going to select this, and now you can see that the brush is created and its color tone is a bit darker. And now I'm going to select it and effect, blur, Gaussian blur, and okay. Now you see the brush is giving me a very nice shading touch, and now I can use it for the shading of my illustration. I'm going to select the color, and I'm going to just start shading right away. So that's all for today. Do subscribe our channel. Stay happy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.